Faith can endure persecution, cross oceans, and touch hearts across cultures. In every trial, prayer becomes the bridge between God and humanity. Born in 1769, Rose Philippine Duchesne lived through the storms of the French Revolution. With courage and unwavering faith, she joined Saint Madeleine Sophie Barat and the Society of the Sacred Heart. Together, they sailed across the ocean to America, dedicating their lives to the missions among Native American tribes in the Rocky Mountains. Known as the woman who prays always, Rose gave her final breath in 1852, leaving behind a legacy of perseverance, prayer, and love. Her life reminds us that true faith is not bound by borders, but flourishes wherever love and sacrifice are planted. Lord, grant us the courage of Saint Rose Philippine Duchesne. May we live with unwavering faith, serve with compassion, and pray with hearts that never tire. Amen.